Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abby, and today I am participating in a my favorite space collaboration being hosted by, inspired by, and Angela's Hangout. I am very excited about this collaboration because I do have a favorite space that I would love to share with you guys. So thank you, Angela, and thank you by Inspired by for inviting me to participate. So if you want to see the inside of my favorite space, just stay tuned. Okay, here we go, guys. This space here is my favorite space because it provides everything that I need to start my day or night in this very small closet. From the beginning, I didn't think that it was going to accomplish what it has been accomplishing for me, and I love this space. I feel good every time that I enters this small space. I feel good because I was able to place plants in here, and plants brings life to any room. It detoxes the air in the room, so that in itself makes you feel good. I just love houseplants, and I love that they are in this space, and I feel wonderful. I feel such calmness when I come in this space. I wanted a place to be called mine. I wanted this space to be for me only. So my husband never uses this space and never enters this closet. I love it just for me. And in here, I place all my night care products, all of my daycare products, everything I need to take care of my skin, my nails, my face, my feet, my hair. I use this bookshelf here as a vanity because I couldn't find a vanity at the time, and I wanted one, and I didn't have time to wait around for one. So when I saw this bookcase, we brought it home and I placed it here, and it has been working out real good. I sit here on this stool right here, and I do all my night care, daycare here, all of my polishing of my nails, moisturizing my skin, doing care on my feet. This is the stool that I sit to accomplish that, and I love it. Everything can be done right from this one space here. All of my jewelry is placed on the wall, so I wouldn't have to hunt down jewelry that I want to wear for that day. I didn't want to place a lot of it there, so there it is. Same thing about my earrings, placed on this wall right here, and that is a stackable office tray that my husband used for me to place my earrings there, and I love it. I can just go and choose an earring. Same thing about my shoes. I want them all in here where I wouldn't have to run to another closet, and I didn't want the closet to be cluttered. So here are my slippers and my gym shoes right here on this side right here. The other side has a small amount of my summer shoes. sandals and everything. And that's the way I want it. It's so calm and peaceful in this room. It houses my summer blouses and my gowns and some of my dresses that I wear every day, and some of my church dresses, a few of them, and a few of my summer pants, you know, some of my jeans and some skirts. And I don't have a problem now choosing clothes because they're right here, and I just get them and I get dressed right here. Now on this vanity, you also find out that I have some books and a journal, and I usually sit in that bench right there on that stool, and I write in my journal, this journal right here, every day and every night. And I have two now. I have others, but I've already filed them away, and I'm starting some fresh journals. I also use this space to read, and I haven't started reading this book yet, but I am reading this book right here, and it's called The Journey: How to Live by Faith in an Uncertain World by Billy Graham. A wonderful book. And starting probably next week sometime, I'm going to read that book there, The Giving Way to Happiness. And I'll probably start reading it next week. And I love this space. It makes me happy. And all of my makeup is in this box right here. And I can get it out when I get ready, although I don't wear makeup that often. And all the parts of makeup. And this space here, it became my favorite space because it houses everything I need. And it makes me happy. And it's all mine. And everything in here belongs to me. And I love it. And I thank my husband for doing what he did. And let me tell you about the wallpaper, which is not wallpaper. I wanted to place something here because this is an older apartment. The walls didn't look too hot. So I went to Dollar Tree and I bought that paper. That is gift wrap paper. My husband just hung it on the wall. It is not attached to the wall. It is just stapled from the bottom all the way to the top, if you can see that. And it made this space just pop and gave it a little bit more beauty in here, and I just love it. And that's all, guys. And I'm going to end this video, and I thank you all for watching. And I would like for you all to go and watch the other ladies that participated in this collaboration, because I know they have something wonderful to show you guys. And I know I'm headed over there now to watch all the other wonderful ladies participate in this collaboration. And again, thanks to Angela's Hangout and Inspired By for actually hosting this collaboration. So you all have a wonderful day, and remember one thing, that God is good all the time. See you in the next video. Bye.